Hey, what's up creators, the Virtus Game Jam is back and I can't wait to see what awesome video games you're going to be building this time round. In our previous game jams, the community, you guys, you built over 200 different games and they all look incredible. So what is the Virtus Game Jam? The Virtus Game Jam is a relaxed competition where you'll spend a couple of weeks building a very small game based on a set theme. This is an amazing opportunity for you to push your skills to the limits, meet new people, and just build a game. But most importantly, for the winning teams, there is going to be some awesome prizes up for grabs. That being said, be sure to join our Discord, meet new people, build your team, check out the Game Jam page on our website, and head back for the Game Jam theme drop on the 19th of December at 6 PM GMT. As always, stay awesome, keep curating. Virtus, signing out.